I'm starting off with damp conditioned hair, and I just moisturized it and put it in sections. I deep conditioned with my olive oil conditioner, and I used the leave-in from Shea Moisture to condition my hair. To moisturize my hair. And now I'm just blow drying my hair. So I'm starting by, well, it's already detangled, but I'm just brushing it out by spraying a little bit of water first, and then heat protector, and then I'm blow drying with a wide tooth comb in small sections, as you can see. And then after the wide tooth comb, while the hair is still semi-dry, I move on to the brush, and then I basically continue to do these small sections all over my head. Basically, each twist you see, I divided into two. And then when I reached like halfway, I discovered it was actually blow drying better with this brush. So I started to use the brush after the wide tooth comb. It was just ensuring that my hair gets much straighter. And I actually like to get my hair as straight as possible with the brushing, with the blow drying process before I go ahead and flat iron, because it just shortens the process and makes sure that the hair comes out softer and straighter. So that is what I do. So as you can see, I was switching between those two brushes, and I kind of jumped forward a few times because I blow dry my hair exactly the same way as I've been doing in all my other videos, except I add that brush this time. So you guys are going to see me do that, but I just skipped forward a lot so you guys can just see the main idea of what I was doing to blow dry my hair. And if you didn't notice, this is a Tony and Guy blow dryer. I'm really looking to get one of the blow dryers with the like comb attachment, just because I think it's going to be really faster and easier for me to blow dry my hair. And you guys can see the big difference in my hair texture. I am posting another video on that, so stay tuned for that. And this is what the hair looks like when it's completely blow dried. I just did a full face of makeup. I took like a couple hours break, and then now it's time to do the flat iron process. And as you can see, I'm just putting this olive oil heat protectant. It's the one I use all the time, but I am looking out for a new one. So if you guys have suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm also looking for a new flat iron, which would just get my hair straighter because it's much thicker now. So please leave your suggestions in the comment section below. I would love to hear them or read them. And also, if you didn't notice, my voice sounds a little funny. It's just because I'm recovering from a flu, but I'm fine. So after all my serum is nicely coated all over my hair, I start to divide the hair in sections, and it's not like similar sections to the blow dry. I just get out a piece at the back, section it out, and then I start sectioning that into smaller pieces. So you guys are going to see I use the same method, but instead of using the blue comb that I usually use, I use the brush I used when I was blow drying my hair. And this is the Vidal Sassoon flat iron, the same one I've used in a bunch of my other videos. And I just do the chase method as usual, but I always prefer to use a brush. I never use a wide tooth comb. I never use a fine tooth comb like a rat tail comb. I always prefer to use a brush just because it comes out better for me. And it's on the highest heat, so it's on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I pass over the roots about 2 or 3 times because that's the thickest part of my hair. And then I just do one slow pass all over the rest of the hair. And you will notice as I'm flat ironing that my ends are really bad. So don't worry, at the end of the video, I did go ahead and cut off the ends. And I still will be cutting more, but you guys are going to know more about that in my next video. So yeah, now I'm just going to speed through this and go through all the main parts. I haven't really changed anything in my flat iron routine except for the brushing part. So you guys, I'm going to get through this pretty quickly. So let's go do that. So at this point now, I like to sort of flat iron my hair in the direction that I'm going to wear it. So I made the line down the middle, and then I divided my hair into like 4 sections. So there's the 2 front pieces that will go like flat in the direction that I want them to go, and then the hair at the back will kind of be flat ironed just like in the way it grows, kind of back. So I just made these sections, and then I started to make smaller sections out of that one back section, as you can see. Now this is actually the most frustrating part of my hair, because from the side somewhere here, for some reason my hair is like the longest in my head. It's always the longest. I always have to cut it to even it out with the rest of my hair. So I don't know if I just have the like least amount of breakage in this area, but on both sides my hair is always the longest. And also my hair on this side of my head is way longer than the other side. Most of the time I think it's kind of evened out. I don't know if it's like a vitamin deficiency or something. I have no idea. Okay, so now I'm flat ironing the other side of my head. I'm almost done. This is closer to the front, just so you can see how I flat iron the hair in the front. And this is the finished look the next day. But yes, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. I was really mad when I cut it and I was like, my hair is a mess. But then I bumped my ends, cut off the dead ends, and it looks so good, and I am so happy with my growth. I had to cut like an inch or two off all around, and then I just came and like, you know, curled it a little bit, added a little bump, added a little waves, and you guys can see the volume. It is ridiculous. When I was done yesterday, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but I was not feeling it. Also, I was feeling like crap, like I mentioned. I have a flu, so if my voice sounds weird, it's because of that. I'm feeling really crappy, but I thought, might as well make my day a little bit more productive and finish up my hair. So now that I curled the ends and cut off all the dead ends, it looks so much better. I love the way my hair is turned out, and if you guys would like more information about what's going on with my hair and what I'm doing, you guys can watch my other videos that will be coming up soon. So I just wanted to point out that, as you guys can see, my hair is almost the same length, just more volume than the last time when I flat ironed my hair. But I almost didn't post this video, but then I thought, you know what, this is a real channel and my hair is not perfect. I'm not perfect. If I have setbacks, I shouldn't like hide them and only come on camera when my hair is looking perfect and when I'm feeling perfect. So I figured I would share what's been going on with you guys, and I'm doing a separate video on that, on what's been going on with my hair. So look out for that. It's going to be going up right after this one. So if you guys want to know what's been going on with my hair, make sure you watch that video. I don't want to make this too long and just want to make it about what it is. So by the way, if you didn't notice, this is new makeup. It's a new day, in case I didn't mention that. But yes, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe already at the beginning, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon that's linked right next to it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.